What's the way? On the table. I better.
Let's do that. How are you?
Fine, sir.
How are you doing?
Fine.
I don't hear you. Can't you talk?
Fine, sir.
I saw this girl now. She said she brought birthday food for me.
Good, sir.
Where is the food?
Good, sir.
I don't hear you.
Is it Ramoke?
Yes.
Ramoke Ajanoko?
You know, yeah.
Ramoke. Sir, I've eaten, sir.
You have eat what?
Jesus
I eat it, sir.
Lord.
Why did you eat it?
I'm hungry, that's why.
You are very stupid.
Oh, sir, I'm very sorry, sir.
Okay, where is the remaining food?
Don't finish.
You don't finish. You don't finish. Oh, come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah. Please, sir.
You will pray for her since you don't eat the food.
I'll pray, sir.
So I pray. Let me hear you.
Many more years to Ramoke Ajanoko.
You say?
Many more years to Ramoke Ajanoko. May God provide biscuits for her.
Is that how to pray?
May God provide.
Is that how?
May God provide biscuits for her.
Biscuit.
May God provide.
Hey!
Yeah,
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.